Do you know many people are having trouble with assembling the stand of their Lasko S18605 fan? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Attach fan head. First, attach the fan head onto the stand. Step 2. Secure pipe. Loosen the nut, extend the pipe upwards, and tighten the nut securely. Step 3. Connect pipe to base. Rotate the pipe downwards into the base. Step 4. Rotate head assembly. Next, rotate the adjustable head assembly down onto the pipe. Step 5. Adjust fan head. Push the knob on top of the motor housing to move the fan head. Step 6. Set airflow direction. Adjust the fan head direction for desired airflow. By following these steps, you should now be able to easily assemble the stand of your Lasko S18605 household fan. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lasko users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.